What is the ultimate expression of an SUV? Is it rugged capability? Is it sporting dynamism? Or is it something else entirely? The Bentley Bentayga proposes a different answer. The ultimate expression is not about conquering terrain. It is about conquering compromise itself. This is not a utility vehicle. This is a mobile landmark. A statement of absolute intent. Consider its presence. The Bentayga's design language is one of immense, unshakable authority. It is not merely large, it is substantial. The vast matrix grille, the iconic four-headlamp arrangement, the powerful, muscular haunches, every line communicates a single idea, unassailable presence. It doesn't arrive. It manifests. This is a vehicle that changes the atmosphere of a street simply by being parked on it. But the true realm of a Bentley It is a space designed to reduce stress to zero, catering to a desire for order, beauty, and sensory perfection. Now, set it in motion. The standard Bentayga is powered by a mighty twin-turbocharged W12 engine, a symphony of effortless power. In more recent iterations, a potent V8 provides a thunderous, more characterful note. The acceleration is not merely fast, it is relentless. It gathers speed with the imperious, unflustered force of a tidal wave. Yet, for all this power, the ride is its true magic. The adaptive air suspension, with its 48-volt active roll control, reads the road 1,000 times a second. It irons out imperfections before the wheels even reach them. The result is a sensation of floating, a cloud-like isolation from the mundane realities of the road beneath. You travel in a bubble of serene, velocity-blurred perfection. So, where does it stand in the universe? The Rolls-Royce Cullinan is its own apex. There is nothing else. There is only Bentayga.